Hi, I'm Tim Cumming with the Sauble Bayfield Conservation. We're here with community leader Susan Riddell, and Susan's done some amazing things, leading a fundraising campaign that created a kayak launch right here on Morrison Lake, Morrison Reservoir. And today we're going to talk about something which is how you can support in a really easy way. We hope it's going to be easy. An easy way to donate to your local trail or a conservation program of your choice. So welcome, Susan.
Thank you, thank you.
Now, this is what we call a quick response code, or QR code. It looks like kind of like a barcode at your local grocery store. And if this works today, she's going to hold up her smartphone and take a picture like it was taking a picture with the camera mode of her smartphone. And if it works, a link's going to pop up where she can donate right here, right now, if she wants to. Susan has her phone, her smartphone. She's going to look like she's taking a picture, and immediately a link popped up, worked like a charm, and there you go. It's a link on her phone. If she wants to, she can donate right now through that way. We think this is going to work really easily for you, and I know it's worked easily for me, but you always have other options. If you want to use the QR code on the signs, thank you for donating that way. You can also phone us, toll-free 1-888-286-2610. You can visit our website, abca.ca, for Sauble Bayfield Conservation Foundation. You can mail a check. However it works for you, we really appreciate your support for the community. Now, Susan, could you tell us, if we can change subjects for a second, a little bit about this kayak launch campaign that you led?
Sure. I love to kayak, and I've been kayaking down at the dam here, and it's not easy to get in and out of the water. There's a lot there. You're susceptible to falling in. So anyway, I called down to the Sauble River. They were open to the idea of bringing in a launch. It was over $10,000, and I started making phone calls, and within a week I had the $10,000 to do it, and it's in there, and we've had tons of compliments on it, and lots of people are doing it, and I think it's going to be great for families, for couples, for, you know, go out as a single person. Just if you want to go by yourself, it's great for mental health. It's just been wonderful. So thank you very much for.
Well, thank you. I want to thank you personally, and I want to thank you on behalf of the Sauble Bayfield Conservation and the whole watershed community for what you've done. And I want to thank all the people that helped you do that, and all the people who took your call and said, yes, I want to be part of this, Susan, and I want to support this. And it's really amazing how you and the community made it happen in such a short time. And things can't happen in this community, unless you have that local support. And I'm looking at, the Morrison Dam section of the South Huron Trail. I'm looking at the beautiful McNaughton Morrison section of the South Huron Trail. This is all possible only because of the community. So thank you, and thank you, Susan, for the time you've taken today.
Thank you.
Thank you for your support of this trail, of all the local trails and conservation areas and conservation education, the Stewards of Tomorrow, and all the other programs that need your support. Habitat and wetlands for turtles like you see right here. And it's all possible thanks to you and people like Susan and all those community people we just talked about that Susan worked with to make the kayak launch happen. Thank you, Susan.
Thank you.